How to unblock someone or an account or a person on Instagram. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in this video. So let's start. First, you will just go to your Instagram, then open it. After this, when your Instagram is opening, you will go search for this person, for example, or you will go to your profile here, then you click on this three line, then click uh, settings. After settings, guys, go to account and you will go to privacy. Then on privacy you will go down to blocked account, and we found the blocked account, so now you can unblock this account. Click unblock, then click unblock again, and that's it. It will work with you. That's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.